Well, row over Telangana Governor Tamilisai Sundararajan's speech inside the assembly, where she said that the development of the state was affected in the past 10 years due to the anti-people and repressive policies of the BRS government. Now, these are very sharp comments and criticism coming in from the governor of the state, while adding, she said that the state under the new Congress government was finally breathing fresh air of freedom and liberty now. Now, BRS leaders have taken sharp objection to the governor's statement, with K. Kavita seeking an amendment to the governor's speech, while K.T. Ramarao lashed out at her for spinning lies. Now, these are the latest inputs that we are getting in. Let's take a look at the reactions and what the governor had to say.
Owing to the bad governance of the previous government, the power utilities are in deep financial crisis. In the last 9.5 years, all the institutions have been destroyed. The institutions and organizations that should work democratically have been unfortunately degraded to serve individuals. We will not augur well in a democracy where institutions indulge in individual worship.
ఒక మాటలో చెప్పాలంటే అధ్యక్ష, 1000 ఎలుకలు తిన్న పిల్లి కదా తీర్థయాత్రలకు బయలుదేరినట్టు చేయాల్సిన దారుణం అంతా చేసి ఘాతకాలను చేసి చాలా అద్భుతమైన ఉపన్యాసం కేవలం 10 సంవత్సరాలు ప్రభుత్వం నడిపిన వాళ్ళ మీద నెపాన్ని నెట్టే ప్రయత్నం ఏదైతే